What's up guys, I'm Johnathan Buckhouse, and today I'm going to tell you guys what 5 tricks that you should learn first in the terrain park. We're not going to go too in depth in each one of these tricks. We're going to cover the trick quickly, and then I have full blown breakdowns of each trick, and I'm going to pop them up right here so you can look into them. And the first trick you should learn in the park is just a 50-50. The 50-50 is honestly the go-to rail trick that you're gonna use for any rail to first test it out, to feel it out. You're like, I've never done a kinked rail, I've never done a rainbow box or a rainbow rail. 50-50 is the trick that you're gonna do on those to first hit them. The next trick that I think you should learn on a box or a rail is a board slide. The board slide is a super crucial trick to snowboarding, and once you get board slides dialed in, you're gonna be able to do so many more tricks. It's gonna unlock so many more tricks, even tricks on jumps. So the next trick that you can get on a box for when you're just learning is gonna be a tail press. It's like a 50-50, but you're applying a lot of weight to the back. It's a lot of body position. I have how to do them on like butters and stuff, not really on a box, but it's the same principle, and it's gonna bring, and it's honestly another sick rail trick that you can learn, or box trick. You can do both rails or boxes, so you gotta check it out. So obviously when you're first getting into the park, you're gonna wanna hit some small jumps, and the 2 tricks that you should learn next are on the jumps. We're gonna start with an indie grab. The indie grab, the best part about it is when you start hitting jumps, you get scared and start waving your arms around. Well, when you start grabbing your snowboard, it gives you something you can do in the air, so you don't start freaking out. And once again, you just kind of bend down and grab it. I don't have a tip video for that one. Just know that you retract your knees up. You don't lean, you just bring your knees up, grab the middle of your snowboard, you're good to go. The next one is gonna be a frontside 180. Let's go 180 degrees. Let's turn the board around. I do have a how to frontside 180 video right here. Check it out. But the frontside 180 is gonna allow you to pop around and just do a cool maneuver in the air. And you can do frontside 180s super big, and you can also do them on the run. So make sure that you guys check out frontside 180s. Alright guys, those are 5 beginner tricks that you should try to learn first. And once you learn them, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can come back for 5 more advanced tricks to try out. Now those are just the 5 that I thought you should try. You can try literally any trick to learn first. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of a guide. And once you get those 5 tricks, let's do some more tricks. It's so awesome. I just want you guys to keep shredding. That being said, I do have a full-blown how to be a better snowboard playlist right here. So check that out. As well as if you want any of the Evolution merch, guys, it's all linked in the description, as well, like the Evolution stickers, hoodies, long sleeves, all of that, guys. And then if you want to become a better snowboarder, check out my Patreon. I have a bunch of personal ways where we can work together and you can become a better snowboarder. And other than that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding carpet with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't ever gonna need no.
That's so scary.